fried rice for myself.
The perfect timing. Chicken should be white. Garlic shallot should be golden. If you wait until garlic golden before you add chicken, garlic shallot burn. You know, before chicken cook. You see the pig right? Yeah. Pickle radish and dry shrimp cake, please. Short time. You stir them about 4-5 seconds. You will see the texture is changing. You see the color changing, because this guy you can eat them raw. Now the next step important. Now you throw the last fruit in, fry and then fry in, and mix. Now, yeah, the green one, huh? Mix. Now you just stir them hard. You want to mix everything. Yeah, spread that hard out. Yeah, but not the green. Mix. You see the egg, nice, white, yellow, and noodle is separate. That's the way it should be. That's turn the gas off. Yay! Yeah. And then we put in a serving plate. There we go. Sauce. Mix with the noodle. Get we make sure that sugar is soaked into there. It's a big lump of sugar in there. Yeah. I will come back. Keep cooking. Don't add the egg yet. Okay, and then garlic. Sauce now. Mix everything first before the egg. เส้นยังไม่สุกใส่น้ำอีกหน่อยค่ะเส้นยังไม่สุกใส่น้ำอีกหน่อยผัดthe yolk. Higher heat, yeah?
Yeah, higher heat now.
Stir into the sausage. Fat oil, the coconut sugar, the tamarind, and make it, all the things.
Tastes perfect.
Yeah.
What do you have there, man?
We have pad thai here. We'll talk about my secret. So he said the best pad thai we have when you use the very
By far.
5-star. The taste from pork belly oil, the coconut sugar, because many restaurants sometimes you never know, but in general they use regular sugar. You know, pork belly oil is very expensive. You can just use palm oil. Soybean oil, we never know. But if you want to get a good pad thai, you don't make yourself. You go to the restaurant by the street that do only pad thai, and people don't kill. That's a real deal.
Awesome.
This is like ancient recipe, you know, because in the history we didn't have in the bottle. This is how Thai been cooked pork fat oil. Yeah.
Delicious. Thank you.
Thank you. More spicy. I do it for you, okay, Dad?
Yes, of course. I want to do it here.
Super spicy.
See this? You see that?
Maybe one more.
One more? Okay, I'll teach you guys who haven't had experience about spicy chili that much. Recommend you to cut like I do. When you boil it, you get the heat right. Because when you smash them like this, when you boil them, yeah, It will be hot. So chili, it will be here. Chili, it will be there.
Okay.
And what you do with the lemongrass? Look,
Smash.
you can smash them or you can cut them. Smash is easy, but there's a root here. See the bottom part? Cut it off a little bit. And try to don't do this because you're gonna break the handle. Try to do this, or you can use the handle like this. And then hey, love at first bite. Good job. Love at first bite. Love at first bite. Good job, Anna.
Hoe vaak zou je die grap maken?
Oh, nice.
If I zoom, you don't inhale.
I want to taste the first bite.
Yes, thank you.
It's spicy?
It's good.
Good.
Very good.
แนะนำใส่ได้นะ3 เม็ดแล้ว What do you think?
Tastes good.
You can add more. Don't forget to use the lime.
Not sure if it has tamarind.
I did for you already.
Okay.
When you pass it to me, I'll come back and put it in our
It's good. Fish on? Okay. What is
You
it?
taste it?
Yeah.
It's good to taste before and after because we're learning that you know how
I'll
much is
taste.
fish on.
Yeah.
Because you know how, when you adjust, what it change.
Right.
Because some people are scared of using fish sauce.
Right.
Just a little bit more, it changes everything too. Okay, in the bowl. You like it? Yes?
Turn it off, right?
Off, please. Yes, good job. Taste it. Is it spicy for you? If we have one chili in there, we can take it out for you. So in case you don't eat chili. But this soup has to be, oh, you haven't squeezed the lime. Squeeze the lime, please. But get this soup have to be spicy, you know, and sour first when you taste it. Did you add sugar?
A little bit.
Did you add fish sauce?
A little bit.
If you're afraid of spicy, you should add a bit more sugar and fish sauce to cover the spicy level. Is it too spicy? You need a bit more salt.
No. Yeah.
A little bit more salt, just a bit more salt. To mix it. And then combine just a little bit more sugar. It's good because we're learning. We know how to even seem. This is organic roasting. It does seem like this is kind of a lot, but not too much. You know, it's not.
It's very hot.
It's very, very good. You like it?
Yes.